In the fast-paced world of technology, where innovation is the name of the game and obsolescence is a constant threat, programming languages come and go. New languages emerge, promising faster speeds, more efficient processing, and sleeker, more readable code. They capture the imagination of developers and businesses alike, becoming the new standard for cutting-edge projects. Yet, as these new languages rise to prominence, older languages often fade into the background, seen as relics of a bygone era. But then there's COBOL. COBOL is different. Created in the 1950s, COBOL was designed with a specific purpose in mind: to handle business data processing. It was a language built for the world of finance, government, and large organizations, and it thrived. For decades, COBOL was the backbone of critical systems, processing trillions of dollars in transactions every day. It was reliable, robust, and incredibly efficient at what it did. However, as technology advanced and new programming languages emerged, COBOL began to seem outdated. Many predicted its demise, believing that newer, more modern languages would replace it entirely. But something interesting happened. Despite the predictions, COBOL didn't disappear. In fact, it's making a comeback. The very systems that were supposed to replace COBOL are often still running on COBOL code. The sheer volume of COBOL in use today is staggering. It's estimated that there are hundreds of billions of lines of COBOL code still in operation, running everything from banking systems to government databases. This has created a unique situation. There's a growing demand for skilled COBOL programmers, but a shortage of people who understand this legacy language. As a result, those with COBOL expertise are finding themselves in high demand. Companies are investing in training programs to teach a new generation of programmers how to work with COBOL. They're also reaching out to retired COBOL experts, bringing them back into the workforce to help maintain and update these critical systems. COBOLs Story is a testament to its resilience and a reminder that sometimes the old ways are still the best. It's a language that has stood the test of time, proving that even in the ever-changing world of technology, some things remain constant. So the next time you hear about the latest and greatest programming language, remember COBOL, the comeback kid of the tech world, still going strong after all these years. COBOL's story begins in the 1950s, a time when computers were just beginning to transform the business world. This was an era of rapid technological advancements, where businesses were starting to see the potential of computers to revolutionize their operations. The business landscape was on the brink of a major transformation, driven by the promise of automation and efficiency. Before COBOL, businesses relied heavily on manual processes and early computers programmed in complex, machine-specific languages. These early systems were cumbersome and required specialized knowledge to operate. The process of data entry and management was labor-intensive, often involving punch cards and manual calculations. Businesses needed a more efficient way to handle their growing data needs. There was a pressing need for a language that was specifically designed for business data processing, a language that was easier to use and understand. This new language needed to bridge the gap between complex machine code and the practical needs of business operations. It had to be intuitive enough for business professionals to grasp, yet powerful enough to handle the intricate demands of data processing. In 1959, a group of visionary computer experts, including the renowned Grace Hopper, came together to create COBOL. Grace Hopper, often referred to as the mother of COBOL, was instrumental in the development of this new language. Her pioneering work laid the foundation for what would become one of the most enduring programming languages in history. Their goal was to develop a language that was more English-like, making it accessible to a wider audience. They envisioned a language that could be easily read and written by people who were not necessarily computer experts. This approach was revolutionary at the time and aimed to democratize the use of computers in business. COBOL was designed to be portable, meaning it could run on different types of computers, a crucial factor in a rapidly evolving industry. This portability ensured that businesses could invest in COBOL without worrying about future hardware changes. It provided a level of flexibility and future-proofing that was highly attractive to businesses looking to modernize their operations. COBOL quickly gained traction, becoming the go-to language for businesses of all sizes. Its adoption was swift and widespread, as companies recognized the benefits of a standardized, easy-to-use language for their data processing needs. COBOL's impact was felt across various industries, from finance to manufacturing, as it enabled more efficient and reliable business operations. Its readability and focus on data processing made it ideal for managing payroll, inventory, and other critical business operations. COBOL's structure allowed for clear and concise coding, which reduced errors and improved the accuracy of business processes. This reliability was crucial for businesses that depended on precise data management. COBOL's legacy is deeply intertwined with the rise of modern business. Even today, many of the world's financial transactions and business operations rely on COBOL systems. Its enduring presence is a testament to the language's robustness and the foresight of its creators. As we look to the future, COBOL continues to play a vital role in the backbone of business technology. In today's technology landscape, where innovation moves at breakneck speed, it's easy to overlook older technologies. We often get caught up in the allure of the latest advancements, from artificial intelligence to blockchain, and forget that some of the most critical systems running our world are built on older yet incredibly robust technologies. But dismissing legacy systems, particularly those built on COBOL, would be a mistake. These systems have stood the test of time, proving their reliability and efficiency over decades. They are the unsung heroes of the digital age, quietly ensuring that our daily transactions and operations run smoothly. COBOL underpins a significant portion of the world's most critical infrastructure. From banking systems that handle millions of transactions daily to government databases that store sensitive information, COBOL is the backbone that keeps these operations running seamlessly. Financial institutions, government agencies, and healthcare providers rely heavily on COBOL-based systems. These sectors demand high levels of accuracy and reliability, and COBOL delivers just that. It's not just about keeping the lights on, it's about ensuring that vital services are available when we need them the most. These systems have been running for decades, processing vast amounts of data with remarkable reliability. The longevity of COBOL systems is a testament to their robust design and the foresight of their creators. They were built to last, and they have certainly lived up to that expectation. The cost and complexity of replacing these systems are often prohibitive. Modernizing or replacing a COBOL-based system isn't just about swapping out old hardware for new. It involves rewriting millions of lines of code, retraining staff, and ensuring that the new system can handle the same workload without any hiccups. Rewriting millions of lines of code from scratch is a daunting task, fraught with risks and potential disruptions. The sheer scale of these projects can lead to significant downtime, which is unacceptable for mission-critical operations. The risks involved in such a massive overhaul often outweigh the potential benefits. Moreover, COBOL's stability and proven track record make it a low-risk option for many organizations. Its reliability is unmatched, and its ability to handle large volumes of data with ease makes it indispensable. For many, the question isn't why they should keep using COBOL, but why they would ever consider replacing it. While newer languages may offer certain advantages, they lack COBOL's long history of reliability in mission-critical environments. Newer technologies may be more flexible or easier to learn, but they haven't been tested in the same way. COBOL has decades of real-world use backing it up, making it a trusted choice for critical applications. Until a cost-effective and equally reliable alternative emerges, COBOL will likely remain a cornerstone of our digital world. Its role in maintaining the stability and reliability of essential services cannot be overstated. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of technology, we must also remember to honor and maintain the systems that have brought us this far. Section 4. COBOL versus the new kids on the block. A comparison. COBOL, with its long history and unique strengths, stands apart from modern programming languages in several ways. While languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java dominate new development, COBOL's niche remains secure. One key difference lies in their design philosophies. COBOL is verbose and structured, prioritizing readability and data processing. Modern languages often emphasize conciseness and flexibility, catering to a wider range of applications, including web development, mobile apps, and data science. COBOL's strength lies in its reliability and performance in handling large-scale transactions. It excels in environments where accuracy and stability are paramount, such as financial systems. Modern languages, while generally faster in execution, may not match COBOL's proven track record in these specific domains. The choice between COBOL and a more modern language ultimately depends on the specific needs of the project. Section 5. Modernizing COBOL Challenges and Opportunities. While COBOL remains relevant, the challenge of modernizing legacy systems is a growing concern. Many COBOL applications are decades old, lacking modern features and facing a shrinking pool of experienced developers. This situation presents both challenges and opportunities. One major challenge is the complexity of these legacy systems. Over time, COBOL applications have often been modified and expanded, resulting in intricate code bases that are difficult to understand and maintain. Finding skilled COBOL programmers to work on these systems is becoming increasingly difficult. However, this challenge also presents an opportunity. The demand for COBOL expertise has led to a resurgence in interest in the language. New tools and techniques are emerging to help modernize COBOL applications, making them more accessible to a new generation of developers.